Hello and welcome to the MSPC Bros channel, and today we'll be covering the 3 best 16GB budget RAM sticks. This is part 3 of the series, so that means this is the last part. So if you want to see more in the future, make sure you hit that like button so we know you enjoy them. What are we waiting for? Let's get into the video. For all 3 sticks, we'll be covering them using 3 categories: price, quality, and looks. Now for price, we have the G.Skill Aegis RAM stick. The specific model we chose for you guys was the 2400 MHz frequency model, which is excellent for a mid-grade build. And then if we head over here to specifications, you can see it runs on a CAS latency of 15. All this is a measurement of how many nanoseconds it takes for the memory to read the command and make the memory complete it. This RAM stick is also unbuffered, so if you want to know what that is, click the link in the description for part 1 where we explain it for you guys. We'll also have part 2 linked as well for those of you that haven't checked it out yet. Overall, the pros are that the price of this RAM stick is $54.99, so it is decently priced for a 16GB RAM stick. And it requires 1.2 volts to run, so it saves you some power for all your other electronics in your system. The cons are that it does not have a faster frequency speed than 3200 MHz. So if you want to go any faster than that, you need to pick one of the other 2 RAM sticks we'll mention shortly. That concludes the best price stick, so now it's time for the best quality stick.
Next on our list is the Crucial Ballistics LT. It runs on a frequency of 2400 MHz, which is the average speed of a regular RAM stick. Its form factor is UDIM, which means it is unbuffered and is mainly found in desktop and laptop computers. It is also faster than RDIMM, which is mainly used to run servers and other highly demanding tasks. The CAS latency of this stick is 16, which is just a little bit slower than 15, but it is still acceptable. So the pros are that this stick is $69.99, which makes it affordable for everyone who wants to get a good stick of RAM. Another pro is that it has fast CAS latencies, which is super important if you have a lot of tasks, like in a video game. The cons are that even though 2400 MHz is okay, still try to save up for 3000 or 3200 MHz if you can. And finally, it is time for the RAM stick that falls in the looks category.
For those who want to light up their build, the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro is just what you need. It has aluminum heat spreaders, which are what make sure the RAM stick doesn't overheat due to the lights and the tasks, which can cause heat buildup. And then if we head over here to tech specs, you can see it has a CAS latency of 16, which is great for an RGB RAM stick that has many more tasks than just a regular RAM stick. And if we head over back to overview, you can also see you can customize these lights through the iCUE software from Corsair, so you can personalize your gaming experience however you want. In our opinion, the pros are that it is $84.99, which for a 16GB RGB RAM stick is the perfect price for everyone. It also runs on 3000 MHz, which just makes the price look even better. The cons are that it might not be compatible with all motherboards, so just be sure to check it just in case. The iCUE software also might not work with all other softwares, so just check that as well. That's it for this video and this series, so if you want to see more in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button so we know you enjoy watching them. That's it for now, and we'll see you in a few days in a brand new video.
Thanks for watching the video. We really hope you guys enjoyed it. Within the coming few months, we plan on showing you guys how to build your own PC with an in-depth guide to assembling one. We will make it easy for you to follow along and not feel rushed, even if you are a beginner. Let's keep trying to hit that 100 sub goal so we can get more and better videos out every few days for you guys to enjoy, so please subscribe if you haven't yet.